In your iPhone, if you're facing any error with Google Meet app, if your Google Meet app not opening, or if you can't join in Google Meet with invitation link, here are few different solutions to fix any kind of Google Meet error. So the first solution is force close the Google Meet app. Just go to your recents by swiping to the top from your bottom of your screen just like this and close the Google Meet application. And now relaunch the Meet app and check your problem solved or not. And the second solution is give a simple restart to your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of glitches. So just go to your control center, tap this power icon, long press the power icon and slide this option to right side and your iPhone will be shut down. After a few minutes, turn on your iPhone, then open your Google Meet app and check your problem solved or not. And the third solution is update the Google Meet app. Go to your app store, search for Meet. All you have to need, if you see any update available, just update the Google Meet app. So sometime updating your Meet app can fix this kind of glitches. And the next solution is offload the Meet app. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, open General, and open iPhone storage. In here you have to scroll down and find out the Google Meet app, tap on Meet, tap on offload app, then reinstall the app from here and check your Meet problem solved or not. And the next solution is check your internet connection. So just you can switch between your Wi-Fi to cellular or from cellular to Wi-Fi. So must use a high-speed internet connection, then go to your Google Meet and check it's working or not. And the next solution is turn off VPN. If you're using any VPN on your iPhone, you must need to turn off the VPN first. So after turning off the VPN, go to your Google Meet and check the problem solved or not. And the last and final solution is uninstall the Google Meet app completely from your iPhone and then reinstall it from App Store. Thanks for watching.